Hi everyone, today I am going to show how to install Red Hat Linux 9.6 on VMware Workstation. So first we need to search VMware Workstation on Google, and from the search results we need to find a website called TechSpot, and we need to click on the link of that website. And here we can see that there is a download now option, and as we are using Windows operating system, so we will click on Workstation Windows, and in the next page the download will automatically start. Here you can see the download has started. It is about 400 MB, so let's wait till the download finishes. Here you can see the VMware Workstation setup file has been downloaded, and we will click on the setup file double click, and the setting up should start. Here you can see a dialog box has come. Click on yes, and after that in the installation folder setup will start. Here you can see the installation setup has started, and click on next. I accept the terms, the license agreement, and next. Check this and next. You can uncheck this, these are not needed. Next, you can check this and click on install. The installation will take some time. Here you can see the setup has been finished, and we click on finish. Now we need to download the Red Hat ISO image. Now in order to download the Red Hat Linux ISO file, we need to search first Red Hat Linux ISO download on Google, and from the first option you can see there is a logo with an infinity icon, and we need to click on that link. And first we need to log in with our Red Hat Linux account IDs. So first we need to log in. We click on the login option, and here we can log in. After we log in, the login it will show like this here, and we need to come a bit down. So here, now you can see there is a link called Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.6 for this. So we need to click on download ISO. We are not installing Red Hat Linux 10 here, and we are installing 9.6. So we need to click on download ISO. After you click on download ISO, the download will automatically start. Here you can see that the download size is almost like 12 GB, and the page has the download. If we click here, the download will start. Now we'll wait until the download finished. So here you can see my download has been finished, and we need to click on the VMware Workstation that we had installed earlier. Now we'll double click on the icon, and the interface of VMware is like this. So to install our new OS inside this VMware, first we need to create a virtual machine. So click on create a new virtual machine. Keep it as typical. Click on the third option. I will install the operating system later. Then click on next. Then click on Linux, and from the drop down list select Red Hat Linux 9. In the next you can give your virtual machine a different name, but I am keeping it as it is here. And you can also change the installation location of the virtual machine, but I am keeping it as default. And click on next. Here you can see the maximum size of the disk that you are going to give the virtual machine, but we are keeping it as default. And here from the out of these two options, we are going to click on single file. Next, now we are going to click on customized hardware. Here, this is the RAM. We are keeping it as 2 GB. The processor is also 2 cores. And here, in the new CD DVD option, we need to select the use ISO image file, and now we have to browse the ISO image that has been set. We have selected the ISO image that I downloaded a bit earlier, the 12 GB file. And in the network adapter section, we need to click on bridge, and in the display section, we need to uncheck the accelerated 3D graphics. That's it. Now our VM virtual machine will be created. You can see here our virtual machine has been created. So we need to power on this virtual machine. If this kind of error comes out, so you need to enable the Intel virtualization from the boot menu. There are multiple videos following you on this matter. So here we are again. I went to BIOS and clicked on selected the CPU configuration and enabled the virtualization technology, and restarted my PC, and the problem is resolved. So now you have to go to the power on option and power on this virtual machine. Click OK, and also do not show this again, and OK. Now one thing to be remember here, that these are called the Linux kernels. So let me resize it a bit. Okay, so see, here is the cursor. Now when I am clicking inside this box, the cursor is gone. So because it is inside the Linux OS now, it is not on the host Windows OS anymore. If you want to get back to the cursor, so you need to click Ctrl and Alt keys all together. So here I clicked on Ctrl and Alt keys, and I got back my cursor. So now I am from these two Linux kernels, I am going to select the first one and click on Enter. Again, I need to get back my cursor. The installation will start soon. There will be some processes before the actual installation page comes on. So here is the actual installation page. We need to click on English and click on continue. You can keep it as English India and click on continue. After that, we need to go to the first installation destination. We need to go to here. Now here we need to select the 20 GB disk that we had created while creating the virtual machine. Now when I am clicking first, here you can see a blue background is there, and now we have to click on second time, and after I clicked second time, the blue background with a tick mark has come up. That means our disk has been selected, and we are going to keep the rest aside as it is. So click on done, and while installing Linux we must need to give a root password for the root user, that is the administrative user. So here I am giving a password, and after I have given the password, I need to click done twice, one and again. So I have cleared all the sections. Now I need to click on begin installation, and the installation will begin. It will take time according to your computer configuration. So now you can see the installation has finished. Now we need to click on reboot system, and the system will restart. So our Linux has restarted, and this is the introductory steps. So we need to click on start setup. We click on next. We can click on skip, and then we need to create an user account. I'm giving the user account name as Linux user, and click on next. Here you need to give a password. Here I am giving a password, and after click on the next, and you are all set. Now here is the Linux Red Hat Linux 9.6. We can click on no thanks, and here is the terminal, and we can click on activities, and here are some more menus and options. So yeah, now this is how we can install Red Hat Linux 9.6 on VMware Workstation. Thank you.